In this review, those mid-century modern ones that stay low to the ground and fit just one big pot, and the more bookshelf-style bamboo units with a few shelves that can hold a bunch of smaller plants. Both styles can be good-looking and super functional, but they're also a bit limiting. Thankfully, a plant stand can really be any object you can place a plant on, and one sweep of the internet will reveal that you can put plants on lots of things. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best plant stands. Let's get started. Number 5. Kinnery Indoor Plant Stand. If you are searching for a plant stands, the Kinnery Indoor Plant Stand review on our list is ideal for you. For a simple budget-friendly style, you can't go wrong with this Kinnery Indoor Plant Stand. Mid-century modern inspired with a waterproof wood top and metal legs, the minimalist design makes it a breeze to incorporate into different rooms. The plant stand is on the smaller side, so it can likely hold only one plant at a time. However, part of what makes this pick one of the best plant stands is that you can also use it as a side table or a nightstand, so there's nothing to worry about if your plant collection outgrows it. Each leg is made up of 2 metal rods, so if you want to make the stand a few inches shorter, all you have to do is remove one. Number 4. Maxion Bamboo Tall Plant Stand. The Maxion Bamboo 3-tier tall plant stand is one of the best plant stands to consider, especially if you prefer a wooden style. Tall and lean, this bamboo plant stand can display plants of varying heights. The plant stand is offered in 3 different sizes, so you can choose the one that suits your space. It maximizes versatility as well, thanks to a neutral wooden design. If you don't have a large plant collection, however, it can also be used to show off countless other items, like picture frames or trinkets. Plus, it's waterproof, so it can be used indoors or outdoors. Number 3. Jibobo 5-tier tall plant stand. The next product we have got on our list is the Jibobo 5-tier tall plant stand. If you frequently move your plants around to follow the best lighting in your house, this Jibobo option is the best plant stand to consider. This sculptural wood plant stand comes with detachable wheels that make it effortless to move your plants to wherever you need them. The stand, which is made of pine, includes 5 tiers with circular platforms, so it's a decorative piece in itself. It's offered only in a black finish, which may not work with every decorating style. Number 2. Bamworld Plant Stands Indoor-Outdoor Corner. More than 845 5-star reviews praise the Bamworld Plant Stands Indoor-Outdoor Corner for its portability. The Bamworld Corner Shelf Plant Holder is the best plant stand to make the most of your space. It can hold 14 to 17 plants and/or up to 150 pounds, so you'll be able to display all of your favorites. The plant stand can be used both indoors and outdoors, and the wooden design has a simple, versatile look that'll fit in well wherever you place it. There is some assembly required, though it should be fairly simple. Number 1. Mudila 2-pack Indoor Plant Stands. The Mudila 2-pack indoor plant stands are the best plant stands you can buy this year. Having to buy new plant stands to fit a pot can be difficult, which is what makes this pick one of the best plant stands to consider. You can adjust the diameter between 8 and 12 inches, so you'll be able to fit your pots with ease. These bamboo plant stands match a variety of aesthetics, especially with a choice of 3 colors, black, brown, and natural, so they'll match your space just how you want them to.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.